Endangered species around the world. This week I did a school project on endangered species, and I found out some really interesting and worrying facts. Did you know that the list of endangered species is getting longer as more animals face extinction every year? Also 14. If one species is endangered, then all species are endangered. Post a comment.
Baiji dolphin, China. This freshwater dolphin is one of the world's rarest mammals. It is 2.5 meters long and swims only in the Yangtze River. Along this river, there are many fishing villages, and overfishing threatens these unique dolphins. There are only a few left. Will they survive?
Saiga antelope, Kazakhstan. The saiga antelope lives on the steppe of Central Asia. It has a large nose that helps it to breathe during the dusty summer. In 2015, many of them died because of a disease. They are now critically endangered and maybe only 50,000 survive. Luckily, now the saiga population in central Kazakhstan is increasing.
Bridled nail-tailed wallaby, Australia. Australia is famous for kangaroos, but this species of small kangaroo is facing extinction. There are only 500 left because of overhunting. The bridled nail-tailed wallaby now lives only in Taunton National Park, Queensland. Endangered species around the world. This week I did a school project on endangered species, and I found out some really interesting but worrying facts. Did you know that the list of endangered species is getting longer every year as more animals face extinction? The Baiji dolphin only swims in the waters of the Yangtze River in China. It is a freshwater dolphin, and it is one of the world's rarest mammals. The dolphin is about 2.5 meters long. It is also called the goddess of the Yangtze River, out of the respect that the natives have for dolphins. Unfortunately, this greyish-blue creature is facing extinction. There are only a few of them left in the wild, as overfishing is threatening them. Will this unique dolphin survive? The open steppe of Central Asia is home to this beautiful creature. The saiga antelope has a large nose that helps it breathe during the dusty summer. In 2015, many of this unique species died because of a disease. They are now critically endangered. Around 20 years ago, there were around 1 million saiga antelopes roaming the steppe. Today, there may be only 50,000 left. They banned hunting of this important animal in Kazakhstan, and there is hope for the species' future and survival. Australia has some of the most unique and strange animals in the world, but it is mostly famous for a beautiful, large, hopping mammal, the kangaroo. But did you know that there isn't just one type of kangaroo? The bridled nail-tailed wallaby is also a kangaroo. The population of this species has fallen to 500, and the reason is overhunting. Unfortunately, the wallaby now only lives in Taunton National Park in Queensland. The list of rare and endangered animals around the world goes on. It is our responsibility to take action and protect these animals. Keep in mind that even if one species is endangered, then all species are endangered.
Critically endangered. Disease. Endangered species. Extinction. Face. Fishing village. Mammal. Overfishing. Overhunting. Step. Survive. Threaten. Unique.